Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, creating and saving the RealLegal style ASCII format, I'm going to show you how you can permanently retain an ASCII format for RealLegal style ASCIIs. Creating a new permanent ASCII format is easy. The first step to doing so is to open up a document in Eclipse and then to open up your ASCII settings. You can do that by pressing Shift-Alt-O, or you can go to Production, Output to ASCII. For the RealLegal format, it is fairly simple to set up. The first step is that you want all of the boxes on the left checked. And then on the right, we're going to leave Force All Caps unchecked, HTML index unchecked, Force Left will remain at -1, Force Page Numbers will be set to Yes, and Force Line will be set to On. Now, this is all that's required to set up a RealLegal style ASCII format. Now, to save these settings so that you can use it in the future easily, you can hit Add, and then type in the new ASCII style name, which I will call RealLegal, and then press OK. And now RealLegal is listed in the style box, and if I click the drop-down list, RealLegal is the last option in the style list. If I switch back to standard page image, it goes back to the standard checkboxes and line and page number settings. And then if I switch back to RealLegal, I get the new checkboxes that I added, and my line and page number settings are set automatically. For standard ASCII without time codes, this is all that you have to do. And now I can just press OK. And the ASCII file has been created, and it is compatible with RealLegal. If you need to produce a RealLegal ASCII file with time codes, the time codes do need to be formatted in a specific manner. This is the only other thing that you need to keep in mind when making an ASCII for RealLegal. The ASCII options that we set up for the RealLegal format are all that you need if you do not need time codes. However, if you do need time codes, they need to be in the document before you make the ASCII, and they need to be formatted appropriately for RealLegal. To do that, I'm going to go to my user settings and go to the display tab and turn on left margin. And then I'm going to go to the document tab and enable my time codes. I'll click on time codes, and where it says time printing, I'll select every line. And I'm going to choose absolute for the type of time code because I want the time of day. And for RealLegal, they want 24-hour time instead of 12-hour time. And for the size, which is the units of time that they'll get, they want hours and minutes only. So you want the size set to 2. If this was set to 3, you would get hours, minutes, and seconds. And all that's required for RealLegal is hours and minutes, so you want the size set to 2. So absolute 24-hour size 2 is all that you need for your time codes, and they need to be on the left. So I'm going to press OK and see where my time codes come up in my document. And they are already on the left. However, if I needed to move them, also in the document tab, I can click the drop-down list where it says page length and choose time code margin. This represents the distance from the left-hand margin of the page as depicted in this little image here with the ruler. You can see it's measuring from the left-hand side of the page to the beginning of the time code. And so my time codes next to inches are set to 0. And so that means that my time codes are all the way at the left margin already. That's what you want for RealLegal. And if this was, for instance, higher for some reason, you could either use the arrow to reduce it, or you could highlight this number and just type in a 0. And it will move everything all the way to the left for you. And so once your time codes have been inserted and they are formatted correctly in 24-hour time with just hours and minutes, and they're on the left, then you can press Shift-Alt-O again, select RealLegal as your ASCII style format, and then press OK. And that's all that's required to create a RealLegal style format with or without time codes in Eclipse. We contacted RealLegal to find out what their requirements are, and these settings should get you what you need when you're providing an ASCII for RealLegal clients. Thank you for watching this video. If you follow these instructions, you should be able to provide a RealLegal compliant ASCII easily and simply anytime you need to in the future. Please call us at 772-288-3266 if you need help with this or any of Eclipse's other features. As a reminder, anytime support 24/7 is available, including weekends and holidays. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel if you like our content. Please share our channel if you know someone who would be interested in this information as well. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.